Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the English class. Student, in today's class, we are going to begin the very first chapter in grammar. The name of the chapter is Determiner. But in the first place, let us have a look at the definition of determiner. Student, determiner is a word which is used before a noun to indicate things or people we are talking about. Or we can say determiners are the words which precede nouns. Precede nouns means which are used before nouns only. And these words modify nouns also. So here let us see, student, what does modify means here. Student, modify nouns here means determine the meaning of noun. They make it clear which things we are referring to or how much of a substance we are referring to, right? So let us see how many kinds of determiners are there. Student, determiners are exactly like adjectives only. So kinds of determiners are, first one is article, then demonstratives, then possessives, then quantifiers, next is distributives, interrogatives, ordinals, and last is cardinals or numeral. Ordinal and cardinals collectively are called numeral also. So let us first of all see what is article determiner. As everybody knows that A and N are used before countable singular nouns, and A and N are indefinite articles also. So we are to use A. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound, while N is used before which words? Before words giving a vowel sounds. So this, like example, we can see example of A and N are like a ball, a book, a cap, right? A kite, a dog, a man, a woman, a table, a fan, a mango, a useful thing. So let us see this example, student. The word useful is beginning with U, but even then A is to be used. Reason being is those words which give YU sound. Before those words, right, uh, article A is used. Right, you like useful is there, like European is there, like university is there, like unit is there. So before this, and one more example is written over here, as you can see, student, a one-eyed man. So one-eyed, the word one is starting with O, right? But it's not giving a vowel sound. It is giving the sound of V. That is why article A has been used here. A computer, a house, etc. Let us see the example of N, like an apple, an elephant, an egg, an eel, an inkpot, an owl, an orange, an ostrich, an umbrella, an unimportant task, an hour, an yearly installment, an honest man. Here the pronunciation of the word of this word HONEST is honest, not honest. That is why N has been used here. An American, an Indian, and here just see an MP. So when you are saying MP, you are giving vowel sound. That is why N has been used before MP. An MP, an MLA, an LLB degree, etc. Moving forward to the definite article, that is the. So everybody knows that the is used with specific nouns only. The can be used with, and it can be used with countable and uncountable nouns both only. Right, like the phone is out of order, the information, right? You need is available on the net, etc. Da is used before heavenly bodies also. Da, like the earth, the moon, etc. Da is used before group of people also, like the Indians, the Italians, the good, the bad, the rich, the poor, etc. And da is used where before the names of rivers also, like the Ganga, the Yamuna, which is called the Ganges also, the Ganga. Before the names of seas, student, the Arabian, the Red Sea. Before oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The island groups also, the Andaman and the Nicobars. Bays, the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Biscay. And canals also there, the Suez canals, etc. That before the names of desert, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert. Before the names of mountain ranges, not before the mountain peaks, like the Himalaya, the Alps, the Western Ghats. So these are all mountain ranges. Before geographical directions also, the east, the west, right? Before heavenly body, this we have already discussed, the sun, the moon. So this is the application of definite article the. Moving forward to the next determiner, that is demonstrative. Demonstrative. So what are demonstrative? Demonstratives are words like, which words? Demonstrative are word like this, that, these, those, which point out, demonstrate something, display something to persons or objects close by or at a distance only. Some example here you can see, this box, that box, these boxes, those boxes. Examples are, beta, we lived in this house for 4 years. She bought these books, right? So this is used for singular nouns, and these is used for plural nouns only. That and those are used to refer to things that which are at a distance but can be seen, right? Next kind of determiner is possessives. What does possessive show? Possessives are used to show possessions only, right? They are used to show possession. Apart from this, they are used before singular and plural nouns both to indicate either relationship or possessions only. Like my, your, his, her, ours, all these are what? Demonstrative, uh, either demonstrative adjective or demonstrative determiners. Example you can see here, he is my uncle, right? And our school is a reputed one. Your daughter is beautiful, his behavior is praiseworthy. Words like my, our, your, and his are example of possessions only, right? Possessive determiner. The next kind is quantifiers. Quantifiers are those determiners that tell us something about either number or quantity. Such words as much, many, a few, most, all, both, several, a lot of, little, some, right, any, etc. They are all the examples of quantifiers. Means they indicate quantity as well as number, right? Now let us see the difference between much and many. Much shows the quantity and it is used with uncountable nouns also. Example is written over here. The news gave my mother much relief. Does your cow give much milk? And let us see about many. Many is followed by plural number, while mania takes singular. Many is followed by plural number, but mania structure. This structure takes singular number after it, right? The example is two example for your clarification is here. Many problems have come up suddenly, and just see the use of mania. Many a flower is born to blush unseen. In the same manner, the next set of determiner is, student, little and few. Little means not much, hardly any. Few means also not many, hardly any. So little beta is used with singular countable nouns, while few is used with plural countable nouns. Right? Little is used in terms of quantity and few is used in terms of number. example is here before you. There is a little milk in the glass, right? I have few friends. So this is the next set is beta a little and a few. So beta a little means some quantity, right? Though not much, some quantity only. While a few indicates what? A certain number, though not many. A little means some quantity. A few means some in number only. In the next set of determiners is some and any. Let us see what is the difference between some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentence number one, and it may be used in questions also, but it can be used only to indicate request or invitation only. Generally, the difference between some and any is that some is used in affirmative sentences and any is used in either negative sentence or in interrogative sentence. But some can be used in interrogative sentence also when it is indicating a request or invitation only. So examples which are there before you. There is still some milk in the jug. Number one affirmative sentence. Let us see the second sentence. Will you have some tea? So here, beta, though the sentence is interrogative, but it is offering a request. It is a request, right? That is why this can be used like that also, right? Some can be used in this manner also when somebody is requesting or offering or inviting something, right? But the next is just see any, just see the usages of any. As I have just told you, any can be used in negative as well as in what, interrogative sentence. So any is used in negative and interrogative. Example, if there before you, there is not any sugar in the pot. If there any news, right? The next kind of determiners is distributives. So let us see what if they are in distributive. Distributives are determiners that are used to talk about how something is shared out or divided. The distributives are each, every, either, and neither. They are used with a singular noun only. Examples are here. Each child was given a balloon. I remember every detail of our conversation. Either child could win the prize. Neither plan was successful. So these are the examples. Let us see the difference between each and every. First of all, each is used for two or more persons, right? Means definite, while every is used for more than two persons only or two things only. Either means student any one of two, and neither means not any one of two only. The next set of determiner is interrogatives, right? So interrogative determiners are used for asking questions only. Examples: what subject are you studying? Number one. Which color do you like most? Right? And the next kind of determiners is numeral, which is divided into two parts, ordinal and cardinal. So everybody knows this ordinal numbers are ordinal determiners are first, second, third, next, etc. And this ordinal determiner show that what position something has in a series. Example, he is the first boy who has joined the school. We will meet in the next week. He was the last man to come, right? And the second book was very interesting, etc., etc. Let us move forward to the next one, that is cardinals, right? Cardinals determiners are, they show numbers. Cardinals are ordinary numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc., right? They show how many of something there are. Like there are only 10 boys in the class. He has two daughters, right? He balance himself on one foot, etc. So this chapter determiner is very easy. I hope you must have understood it. Thank you, class.